Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to log into your Pinterest account, whether you're using a computer or a mobile phone. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to support this channel. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type pinterest.com and hit enter. This will take you to the official website. When you're on the home page, move to the top right corner and click on the login button. You'll now see a prompt asking you for a login details. Start by entering your email address associated with your Pinterest account. Just below that, type in your password and make sure they are both correct. If you signed up with Google or Facebook, you can simply click those options to log in instantly. And if you forgot your password, no worries, just click the forgot your password. Follow the on-screen instruction to reset it. Once all details are filled in, hit the login button and that's it. You're logged into Pinterest account. Now, if you're using a mobile phone, the process is just as simple as that of the laptop or desktop. First, go to your Play Store or Apple Store for those using an iPhone and search for Pinterest. Download and install the app. Once installed, tap open to launch the Pinterest app. When it loads, you will see options to log in with your email address, Facebook or Google account. Choose the one that applies to you. If you're using email, just enter your email address, click continue, then type in your password and tap login. And just like that, you're signed into Pinterest on your phone. And that wraps up this simple tutorial on how to log into your Pinterest account on both desktop and mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.